Namaste, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, everybody. How are you? Okay, so my name is Karishma, and today what we'll be doing is Hi, everybody. How are you? Okay, so my name is Karishma, and today what we'll be doing is, do you all know which class it is? Yes? No? Okay, so today we are going to be doing science. Yes, we have a lot of magic that we are going to do. Okay, so have you all ever attended any science class? Yes? No? Oh, okay. So, for all those who are attending science class for the first time, guys, welcome. And all those who have already attended, you all know how much we enjoy, right? Okay. So, what are we going to do today? We're going to perform two magical science experiments. Are you all excited? Yes? Okay. So, how have you all been doing in the coronavirus time? Yes, are you all washing your hands regularly? Keeping your self hygiene high? Yes? Good job. Okay. So today we are going to be performing one experiment on pressure. Do you all know what pressure is? Yes, when push your hands together. Can you all feel the pressure? Yes. Okay. So we are going to be performing our first experiment on pressure, and let's keep the second one a surprise for you all. Yes. Okay. So, before we start, I would like to tell you all that we are going to be performing two things in this. One is the quiz, and the second is we are going to be asking you all to submit your drawings. Okay, and you all must submit your drawings. You know why? Because top 10 submissions will get featured on our site. So it can be one of y'all. So why not? Yes? Okay. So do you all want to know the procedure of submission? Do you all want to come in the top 10? Yes. If I would be one of y'all, I would definitely want my drawing to get featured. Yes. So you all must submit your drawings. So shall we go ahead and learn how to do that? Yes. Okay, good job, everybody. So let me just take you all through the procedure. And not only for science class, I would suggest you all to go and submit your submissions, all the things that you all have been asked for each and every class, because in all the classes, top 10 submissions are selected and they get featured on our site. Yes? Do you all know the name of our site? Yes or no? Yes, the same place where you're joined from. So it is called light.uolo.com. Yes, so we have a weekly schedule. So y'all can go and attend all of them and try and attend all of them. Each day we have different class, and I'm pretty sure you all will enjoy each and every activity. Yes, like today we have science, tomorrow we'll be having English, and then fitness, and so on. So we have arts class, dance class, craft. I think you all will have fun in each and every class. So why not attend all the classes? And don't forget to get your friends, because when you all used to go to school, you all used to enjoy with your friends, right? Yes. So why not enjoy with them right now? Even though the schools are all shifted, have been shifted online, we can be online friends. Yes. So all of y'all go ask your friends to come and attend classes with y'all and have lots of fun. Yes. Okay. So where will y'all come? To light.ulo.com. And what's going to happen after that? So once you scroll a little down, you will be able to see a number of activities. Okay, so once you'll see the weekly schedule, okay, and once you scroll a little down, you'll be able to see your profile. Okay, once you click on your profile, you'll be able to see all the classes that you have attended and all your submissions. Okay, so now if you want to submit a new drawing for some of the classes that you have attended, how are you going to do that? So you click on the activity that you have attended, and you'll be able to see a submit your activity button. Where will you see the submit your activity button? Once you come to live.uolo.com, scroll through the page and go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, you'll be able to see all the activities you'll have attended and all the submissions that you have made. So suppose you want to submit today's activity. How will you do it? You go to today's activity and you'll see this button called submit your activity. Click on the submit your activity and a dialog box will appear which will read upload image. So your gallery opens and you select one or multiple images, and then after you click on upload image, another dialog box opens which will read submit. Now before submitting, check whether the image that you have selected in the preview box, you'll be able to see it. So just check if it's the correct image. If it's the correct image, go ahead and submit it, or go one step back, select the correct image and submit it. Yes, are we clear? Good job everybody. Now if you're doing very well, don't you all feel like putting it up on mummies or daddies or your own social media? Yes, like Instagram and Facebook. Don't you all want to show how well you all have done? Yes, I would love to show my drawing to everyone if I've done a wonderful job. So if you're going to upload it on Instagram or Twitter, don't forget to tag us. That is @ULO_app. Let everyone see how well you are doing, right? Okay, good job. And also use a hashtag Uolo app, hashtag Uolo learning. Yes, good job, everybody. Okay, one important announcement. Do not click photos in vertical or portrait format. Always try to click it in horizontal or landscape format. Okay, and since you are going to be clicking the photos, why only click the image of the why only click the photo of the drawing that you have done? Why not with you? Don't you all want everyone to know who's made this beautiful drawing? Yes. So ask your mummy or daddy to take a photo of your drawing with you. Like today, we'll be having a drawing session along with your science session. So take your picture, hold it, give a nice big bright smile, and ask your mummy or daddy or your siblings to take a nice photo and upload it. How will you take the photo? In a portrait or vertical format? No, you won't do that. You will take in a landscape or horizontal format. Yes. And where will you submit it? On which side do you have to do? You have to go for submission on live.uolo.com. Yes. Okay. Very good, everybody. Okay. Now tell me, are you excited for today's class? Yes, I'm super excited. And I want to ask you, do you all know what pressure is? So since I explained that you need to press your hands together to feel the pressure, besides that, do you know what pressure is? Okay, for example, let me ask you, have you ever been to a beach before? Yes? Okay. Or even when you're playing on mud. Have you ever played on mud? Yes? Okay. So I want to ask you that when you play on mud or when you go to the beach, when you're walking, does your leg not try to go deeper and deeper in the sand? Yes? Why does that happen? Okay, let's take another example. When you're lying down on the sand, when you're just lying down and looking and gazing at the sun or the birds or the moon, depending on whether it's morning or night time. Okay, why is it that you don't sink inside when you're lying, but when you're walking, your leg tends to go deeper and deeper inside? Why does that happen? Can you all tell me why? Yes? Do you all know the reason why? No? Okay, let me help you with that. So the reason is because when we are walking, our body is putting the entire pressure on the sand with the leg. So your entire body pressures on your legs, and that's why it starts going deeper and deeper in. On the other hand, when you're lying down, the pressure of your entire body is distributed equally. Yes, it's distributed evenly and equally, so you don't go down. But when the surface area, that is your leg, is covering very small area, okay, so when it presses or when you step on the sand, it will go deeper and deeper inside. Now understood what is pressure? So the bigger the area, the lesser the pressure. The smaller the area, the greater the pressure. Yes? Shall we start with today's experiment? Okay, good job, everybody. Let's go ahead. Are you all excited? Give me a thumbs up if that's a yes. Yes? Okay. Next time, do get your friends too. Okay, let's start with the experiment. So, everyone, welcome to today's experiment. Yay! Okay, so which is our first experiment? I just gave you a hint. In fact, I told you all. So, do you all want to guess? What is it? What is it? It is nothing but pressure. Okay, so let's go through the material list once and let's check if we have everything. We need balloons. Deflated balloons are okay. We will inflate them together. So we need one balloon is also okay. We need a balloon. We need board pins. Can you all see this? Can you all see these pins? Yes, these are called board pins. So we need balloon, we need board pins, we need A4 size sheet, and we need two pencils or sketch pen. Yes, are we ready? Okay, for all those who do not have your sheet with you or do not have some of your supplies with you, quickly go and get them. Yes, I'll just give you all 1 minute. I'll wait for you all and we'll be back. Okay, so we'll get started with the experiments. I'm just giving 1 minute. Go quickly, go and get it. Okay. Okay, I can see everyone's running to get some of their stuff while the others are sitting calmly because they're all ready with their stuff. So everyone, are you all excited? Yes. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll try and inflate two balloons. Okay, we'll try and inflate two balloons. So till the time everyone is going and getting their materials, let's start inflating a balloon. Okay, so you don't need any pump. You can do it with your own mouth. Okay, let's blow air into the balloons. So let's take two balloons. If you'll have one, no problem. Okay, if you'll have two, good job. Okay, so let's blow balloon into the air. Okay, till the time everyone gets their supplies, let's quickly blow the balloons. And if you'll have any difficulty in tying the knot of the balloons, please take help from your parents. Okay, don't hurt your finger. Okay, good job. Let's blow air into the balloons. Okay, so I see everyone is back with their supplies. Everyone blow air into your balloons. Let's go. Let's start. Good job, everybody. Okay. Isn't it fun blowing air into the balloon? It gives me party vibes, like it's someone's birthday. Okay, so let's quickly blow air into the balloon and then you all can play with it. We'll be left with balloons in the end, which you all can play with. But first, let's perform the experiment. Okay? Okay. Has everyone blown one balloon at least? Yes? Okay, good job. If you'll have only one balloon, no problem at all. Okay, no problem at all. Just wait till we watch the video and then start. Don't burst it. Patience. Okay, the others who have two balloons, let's blow the second balloon as well quickly. Okay, is everyone ready? Yes, have we blown 2 balloons? All those who have 2 balloons, everyone's blown 2 balloons? Okay, good job. Shall we start? Okay, what we are going to do is first we'll see the video. Everyone leave your balloons aside. Let's not touch them and burst them. Okay, so first we are going to see the videos. Do not copy, otherwise you'll end up bursting your balloons. Okay, wait, I'll explain it and then we perform the experiment. Okay, so first let's watch the experiment. Are you all excited? Do you all know what's going to happen? I'm very excited. Since we saw pins over here and we saw the balloon is not bursting, I am really excited. I want to know, how is this even possible? I thought that when we prick a balloon, it's supposed to burst. Let's see how this happens, okay? So everyone, eyes on the screen? Yes? Okay, let's start. Okay, oops, we do it with one hand and it bursts. Now we are spreading quite a few pins. It isn't bursting. Did you see? Magic. How is this even happening? Can you all tell me how is it happening? I want to know how is this magic happening. Okay, so let's try and understand. Pressure. If we put a lot of pressure with our hand, it's going to burst, right? Look over here. I have my hand on my balloon. Do not try if you'll have one balloon. Okay, if you'll have 2 balloons, you all can try this with one of them. If I apply a lot of pressure with one hand on the balloon, what's going to happen? It's going to burst. Did you all see? Okay, if you have one balloon, do not try this. If you'll have 2 balloons, try to burst it. Don't get scared and keep it a little further far away from you all so that you all don't injure yourself. Okay, it's going to burst and it's going to blow. Okay, you all can take help from your parents. Again, do not hurt yourselves. Okay, so what are we supposed to do? If we have 2 balloons, take one balloon and press it hard and it's going to burst. Why did that happen? Because we put a lot of pressure. Okay, and that pressure was only on one area. And remember, when you're walking on the sand, a lot of pressure on the ground by our legs is going to sink our legs. Similarly, you put a lot of pressure on the balloon from one side and it's going to burst because it has air in it, right? Okay, let's try the second thing now. Everyone, take pins and spread it on the table close to each other. Okay, let me just show you how you're supposed to place it. And please be very careful. Do not hurt yourself. Can you see how we've placed it? Okay, very carefully place the pins absolutely in close proximity, close to each other. Yes, very carefully. Do not let any pin poke your fingers. Okay, so place it in close proximity. Okay, now everyone, you'll have one balloon left, right? Okay, so we are going to watch how they're doing because we don't want the balloons to burst, right? So let's see, what are we supposed to do? Okay, so we are going to take the balloon and we are going to go close to the pins and start poking it. Can you see it's not bursting? Yes, try everyone, let's try. Let's see if this magic works for you. Yes, let's try. Is it happening for you all as well? I can see it's happening for many of you all. Good job, you all did it right. Good job, everybody. Okay. Good job. Okay, now, okay guys, be very careful when you are playing with this. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, now can you tell me, why did this happen? Pins should burst the balloons. How is this balloon not bursting? You'll know why? Because if we use one pin, there's a lot of pressure on that one particular area, that one particular dot where we poke it. But if you use a lot of pins, there's equal amount of pressure. Okay, they are being poked with equal pressure on all the ends. Yes? Okay, so if they are going to be poked with equal pressure, is it going to burst? No, right? Let's think of the beach example again. We are lying down on the sand. Is our body sinking down? Is the sand going to absorb our body? Are we going to fall into it? No, right? Why? Because there's equal pressure throughout the body on the sand. Yes, by our body, we are going to, if we are lying down, our body is going to distribute the pressure and then it's going to be applied on the sand. As a result, our body is not going to go down. While we are walking, there's a lot of pressure by our leg. The entire body pressure is on our leg, and that's why the sand, our leg is going to go deeper into the sand. Everybody understood pressure? Yes. So you all understood why is this balloon not bursting? Because equal pressure is being applied by all the pins. Yes. Did you all understand? Give me a thumbs up if you all understood. Okay, good job everybody. Let's see what's next for us. Quiz time. Okay. Are you all excited for the quiz time? Yes. Good job everybody. So what we are going to do is we are going to attempt the quiz. Now, how are you going to attempt the quiz? Okay, for that, we are going to be posting the link in the chat section and in the comment section on YouTube. All you need to do is come closer to the screen and click on the link and attempt the quiz. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes and then we'll continue and see what is there next for us. Yes, I have another exciting activity for y'all. Let's do that after the quiz. Okay, so everyone come closer to the screens and let's go and attempt the quiz. Yes? Okay, 2 minutes, guys. Let's go. Okay, so I can see here most of y'all have started attempting the quiz. Very good. Now I want to see who's going to top the scoreboard in this experiment. Let me see if y'all understood it properly. Yes? Okay, so let's have the race till the finish. Good job, everybody. I can see you are performing well. Very good. I think you all understood the concept more or less. Yes? Okay, if you all have any doubts, you all can ask. I'm going to explain it once again, okay, after the quiz, so that there are no doubts left. Good job, everybody. I can see you all performing very well. Good job. So did you all enjoy this experiment? Yes? Give me a thumbs up if that's a yes. Okay, good job, everybody. Okay, so I can see not most, but many of y'all have even completed the quiz. Good job. Good speed, everybody. Okay, so can everyone tell me, can y'all tell me who all have completed? Just give me a thumbs up so that I know you all have completed. Okay, very good. Okay, so all those who are left, I'll give you all a minute more and then let's discuss the quiz questions together so that we have no doubts left. Okay? Okay, everybody, are you all done? Give me a thumbs up if you all are done. Okay, I can still see a few of you all are still doing it. I'll give you all a few more seconds and then we continue, okay? Okay, guys. Now let's go and discuss the quiz questions together. Okay? So we are going to go and discuss the quiz questions together. Okay, everybody. Let's start the quiz. Let's start the game. Okay, so here is our first question. In which of the following, in which of the case balloon got pricked by using multiple pins, by using single pin means a lot of pressure on one area. Will it get pricked? Yes. And multiple pins, will it get pricked? No. So in which of the case balloon got pricked? By using a single pin. Good job, everybody. Okay, let's try the next one. Why do you think multiple pins clubbed together were not able to prick a balloon? The pins were blunt. Do you think they were blunt? I don't think so. The temperature of the pin were changed. Does it have anything to do with temperature? No, it has something to do with pressure. Okay. The pressure was distributed over a larger area. Yes. So if we have multiple pins, the pressure is going to get distributed evenly. Remember? So our answer is option 3. Very good, everybody. We got a power up. Okay. Let's go ahead. Which of these will need least effort to prick a balloon? Is it a cotton bud? Cotton bud cannot prick. It can prick, but the amount of pressure that you'll have to apply will be tremendous. Okay. Next is a paper pin, the board pin that is there, and is a blunt knife. Blunt knife, again, you have to apply some amount of pressure. But paper pin, as soon as you touch, it'll go burst. So what's your answer? Paper pin. Good job, everybody. Okay. In which of the following cases a person will sink down the most on a sandy beach? Will it be while lying down on the back or while standing? Remember I explained this? Okay, while you're lying down, the body has distributed the pressure evenly, so you won't sink. But while standing, the pressure is on your feet, right? So it will start sinking and going down. That's why we have a lot of difficulty while walking on the sand. Yes, so the answer is while standing. Good job, everybody. Okay, next question. In the two cases of the experiment, which of the factors do you think changes? Speed at which the balloon lands on the pin or pins? Does it have anything to do with speed? No. Total effective area presented by the pin or the pins? Yes. Temperature of the balloon, does it have anything to do with the temperature? No. So your correct option is total effective area. That's option B. Good job, everybody. Very good. Okay, so we are all done with this one. Okay, so are you all excited to do the second activity with me? Yes, I'm super excited. So do you all want me to show you your second activity? Yes? Okay, then let's get started and let's complete our second activity. Give me a thumbs up, all those who are excited. Yes? Good job. Okay, so our second activity is nothing but drawing time. Okay, so all you need to do is draw as neat as possible. Why? Because you'll need to submit this to us, right? Since I know you all draw beautifully, I want to see each one of your drawings. Yes, so don't forget to submit it. And how are you going to submit it? I have explained. I'll explain once again, don't worry. So all we need to do is draw beautiful diagrams and submit it to me. Why? Because I want to see how you all have done it. I want to see how beautiful my kids are, okay, at drawing. So let's take an A4 sheet. Okay, let's write our name, our class, our name, today's date, grade, and the school that we are in. Okay. After writing that, write down today's experiment. That is pressure. Yes. Let's do that quickly. I'll give you a few seconds and then we move on. Okay? Okay. Till the time you're writing this, tell me, did you understand this experiment properly? Do you have any doubts? Yes? No? Okay, I can see some of you are still confused, so let me explain it. Okay, till the time I'm explaining, all those who are done writing, let's start drawing. So draw a nice rectangular box, neat, okay? And then draw a table with a couple of pins down, okay? With a handful of pins, and draw a balloon over it, which is poking but not bursting, okay? So let's do that. Okay, in the meanwhile, let me go through pressure again. What happens if the surface area is less? Suppose you're walking on the sand and with your feet, surface area is less, right? And the body pressure is a lot. So what happens, since our body is heavy, there'll be a lot of pressure on our legs and our legs will start going deeper into the sand. That's why it's difficult to walk on sand, especially near beach or at the beach. What happens if you go and lie down on the beach? Yes, the surface area is big, our entire body is big, the surface area is big. The pressure, because of our body weight, is distributed evenly. Now, if it's distributed evenly, will we start sinking into the sand? No, right? Did you all understand? Good job, everybody. Okay, did you all complete drawing this diagram? Yes? Give me a thumbs up if that's a yes. Okay, good job. All those who are left, you all can complete drawing after the class. Okay, draw it absolutely neatly. Okay, it should be very neat, and I want to see all of you all submitting it. Yes, I want to see how artistic my children are. Okay. Okay, now tell me, who are excited for second experiment? Yes, give me a thumbs up. Okay, good job, everybody. Let's move on to the second experiment. Okay, now the second experiment is on sound. Yes, so the experiment is called wine glass sound experiment. If you don't have a wine glass, no worries. You can take any glass that you'll have, preferably a material which is translucent. Okay, not plastic, like a glass material. Okay, any glass, any shape is okay, not necessarily wine shape. Okay, it's just that we have taken a wine shaped glass, we are calling it the wine glass experiment. If you take another shaped glass, the experiment still works, the sound will be different. Okay, we are more concerned with the sound, not the type of glass. Okay, so let's go through the material list once. We need a glass, we need some water, we need A4 size paper, we need pen, pencil, sketch pen and eraser. Yes? Okay. Everybody, let's check if we have all these things. Okay? All those who do not have, that's okay. Go quickly grab your stuff and come. Okay? In the meanwhile, everyone tell me, how will water produce sound? I have just heard water when we open the tap, it just comes, or I have heard the sound of the waves. How will water help me to produce sound? Question, tricky question, right? That's what we are going to crack today. We are going to learn all the magic that lies in water. Okay, so let's check. Is everyone back with their supplies? Yes, good job. Shall we go ahead and watch the video? Okay, let's see how we are going to perform it. Do not start your experiment. First, let's watch it once. Let me explain it to you all, and then we do it together. Okay? Good job, everybody. So, we're going to take a glass. Okay, any glass would do. Should be transparent, not plastic. Preferably not plastic, a glass. Okay, material. Okay, let's see how we are going to go ahead. Let's watch it and hear it carefully, okay? There are some sounds in this that you'll need to hear. Okay, let's go. So this is a wine glass sound experiment. Okay, Let's go. What we're going to do is keep it aside, dip our finger in water and start moving. Can you all hear the sound? Can you all hear it? Okay, now this is due to resonance. I'll come to resonance. As you start pouring, can you see the sound is changing and it's becoming fainter and fainter? And it's becoming a little different. Yes, did you all see it's becoming a little damper? Did you all hear the difference in the sound? So initially the sound was very heavy and then it started becoming damper and damper. Yes, loud and then damper. As we kept on filling water inside the glass, it started becoming lesser. Okay, everyone, let's try this experiment together. Okay, before that, do you know what is resonance? Okay, resonance is when you keep on moving something a lot of times, okay, it starts vibrating. Okay, the vibration effect that comes causes a little bit of sound. Okay, so you all may have heard when you all are traveling, sometimes when we are riding cycles, okay, sometimes it creates a lot of screechy sound. Yes, why is that? Because there's a lot of resistance, that rubbing that is happening between the parts. Okay, and that causes a lot of vibration in the cycle. You all can feel it sometimes. Okay, and that vibration causes the sound. Yes, clear everybody? Okay, let's perform the experiment. Okay, everyone take your glass. Okay, everyone ready with their glasses? Okay, very good. Take your glass and let's place it on a surface and dip your finger inside. And are you ready? We're going to start moving round and round. Ready, everybody? Place your glass on a flat surface. Keep a bowl of water next to you. Let's dip our finger in. Yes, it's okay if the water is dripping from our fingers. No problem at all. If we have excess water, let's start moving around. Can you all hear it? Yes? Oh, good job. It may be a little fainter for you all. That's okay. Yes? But could you all hear the sound? Good job, everybody. Try it once again. Dip your finger in water and start moving in circular motion. Yeah, at the brim of the glass. Can you all hear the sound? Yes? Good job, everybody. Okay, let's try doing the same thing while we are pouring water in it. Now, if you cannot pour water while you're doing that, no problem. Ask your parents, ask your siblings to help you. Okay, but do not spill water all over the place. Okay, so ask someone to help you out. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Let's start moving in circular motion and let's ask someone to pour water for us. Okay, let's ask someone to pour water. See, as we pour water, can you hear the sound which was very loud is becoming damper and damper? Yes? Can you hear it? Good job, everybody. Very good. Okay, so let's try it once again. All those who are still trying, be very careful. Move your finger in circular motion at the top, around the rim, and ask someone to keep pouring water. Did you all hear the sound? Initially, it's going to be loud. Okay, but as you'll start pouring water, it starts reducing. You'll know why? Have you heard this phrase, empty vessels make more noise? Same. It's the same. Okay, when the glass is empty, it's going to make a lot of noise. But as and when you start pouring water and it keeps filling, the empty space keeps reducing. As the space keeps reducing, what's going to happen? The sound will start becoming lighter, lighter, fainter, fainter, and it's going to become very faint till the end. Yes? Did you get it? What phrase did we learn today? An experiment on a phrase. What is it? empty vessels make more noise. If your glass is empty, it's going to make a lot of noise. As you keep pouring water in it, the voice starts reducing because the empty space is reducing and is being filled by the water. Everyone understood this? Yes? Good job, everybody. Now, everyone tell me, what time is it? Quiz time! Okay, good job, everybody. What are we going to do in quiz time? Okay, so we are going to post a link in the chat section and another link in the comment section on YouTube. All you need to do is click on the link and start your quiz. So let's come close to the screen and go ahead and start the quiz. I'll give you 2 minutes, okay? Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, I can see all of you have started the quiz. Very good. Okay. People have started already competing for the first place. Very good. And my girls are leading the scoreboard this time. I'm very proud of y'all, everybody. Good job. Okay, let's see who comes first this time. Did you all enjoy the experiment? Did you all learn to create or make sound with the help of water and your fingers? Yes, isn't that a magical trick? Good job. Okay, so I'll just give you all a few seconds more and then we start. I mean, discuss the quiz together so that we have no doubts left. Okay, good job, everybody. Okay, is everybody done? Give me a thumbs up if you are done. Okay, I still see a few people completing their quiz. A few seconds more and then we do it together. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, everybody, eyes on the screen. Let's discuss the quiz questions. Okay, let's start the game. Okay, so our first question is, as we fill the glass with water, the sound becomes louder, shriller, or damper. What does it become? Does it become louder? Empty vessels make more noise. So when we fill water, will it become louder? No. Does it become shriller and irritating to the ears? No. Does it become fainter and damper? Yes. Good job, everybody. Okay, next question. The surface between the finger and the rim have no friction, lot of friction, stick-slip relation. What is stick-slip relation? As you're moving it around, there will be a resonance that will be caused. Okay, so that's called a stick-slip relation. So your answer is option 3. A little difficult, right? But that's okay. You'll learn something new, right? Good job. Okay, let's go ahead. And that causes the vibration, by the way. Okay. Following are the fractions of water filled in glasses. Which of these represent increasing order of loudness? So when will you hear louder sound? When the water is being reduced, right? Because empty vessels make more noise. So from full, we need to go to the least. So where is my full? So my full is 1. Then we go to 3/4, then we go to half, and then we go to 1/4. So we are reducing the water level. So my answer is option number 1. Yes, everybody? Good job. Okay. Which of the following factors can you clearly identify has the relation with sound here? Temperature of water is anything to do we have anything to do with the temperature of water? No. Empty space in the glass? Yes. Empty vessels make more noise. Remember this, okay? So it's option 2. Good job, everybody. Okay. Which of these could be the application of the above demonstration? To detect temperature of water, do we do anything for temperature? We use a thermometer, right? Not this experiment. To detect the depth of water in a tank or to detect the density of water. There's nothing to do with the density, okay? Now, how will you detect the depth? So the deeper it is, the lesser the sound. Why? Because empty vessels make more noise, so you go deeper and the voice keeps decreasing. Okay, so your answer is option 2. Let's see. Good job, everybody. Okay, so I think all of you all have done pretty well. There were a few tricky questions in this, but I'm pretty sure you'll have managed to do quite a good job. Yes? Okay. So now everyone, tell me what comes after quiz time. What do we have after quiz time? It's our drawing time. Okay, so everybody be careful. Draw a very neat diagram. Why? Because y'all need to submit it. And why will y'all submit it? Because I want to see it. I know y'all are my beautiful artists. So I just want to see how well y'all draw. Because if y'all submit, our top 10 submissions will be featured on our website. Don't y'all want to be one of them? Yes, I'm pretty sure all of y'all want to come in the top 10. And if we have more than 10, I would really consider that. Okay, so all of y'all, please draw neatly. Okay, and don't forget to submit it. So here is your drawing. Okay, all you need to do is write your name, today's date, what grade you're in, and which school you're in. Once you're done with that, write the experiment's name. That is wine glass sound experiment. Clear, everybody? Okay, I'll just give you all a few seconds, finish writing the details, and we go on to the drawing. Yes? Good job, everybody. Okay, I can see most of you are done with the details. So let's go to the drawing. You'll need to draw a glass. Since we are doing wine glass, let's draw a wine glass. And you all can show a finger moving around. Okay, and you all can, now we cannot hear the drawing, right? So what will you all do? You all can draw sound notes. Don't that look so cute? Yes, you all can use your sketch pens to draw those notes with different colors. Yes? Okay, so I'll just give you all 2 minutes to complete this diagram and then we go ahead, okay? Last segment. Trust me, it's going to be fun, okay? I'm going to explain you all the entire process of submission once again so that I get all your entries and I can see all your beautiful drawings, okay? Good job, everybody. Let's quickly draw this. In the meanwhile, let me just explain that once again. So why is the sound very high when the glass is empty and it keeps reducing as we fill water? One proverb is enough. Empty vessels make more noise. So as we are rubbing it, there's a lot of resonance that's being caused, which creates vibration and then that causes the sound. As you keep pouring water, the empty space in the glass keeps reducing. So if the empty space keeps reducing, the sound becomes fainter and fainter. It becomes softer than the previous one. Okay, initially it's loud because it's empty, and we know the proverb, empty vessels make more noise. As the empty space keeps reducing, the sound keeps reducing. Everyone's clear? Okay, good job. Is everyone done with the drawing as well? Okay, so what we'll do is we'll move on to the next segment. All of y'all, please complete your drawings. Okay, we give 2 days to y'all to submit your drawing. Y'all can draw it neatly and submit it to us. Okay, so you'll have 2 days to submit it. Draw it neatly and submit it to us. Okay, let's go on to the last segment. Let me explain it to y'all once again. How are we supposed to submit our drawings? Is everyone ready? Yes. Shall I show y'all? Okay, be very attentive this time. Okay, so let me take you all through the process once again. Now, when you all want to submit, where will you all go? You all will go to live.uolo.com. Where will you all go? live.uolo.com. Good job. Now, what do we have over there? We have our weekly schedule. Besides our weekly schedule, if you'll scroll a little down, you'll have your profiles over there. So you'll go into your profile, okay, and y'all will be able to see all the classes that y'all have attended and all your submissions. So don't y'all want your submissions to be on the side so that everyone can see? Yes, good job. So that's why I need all of y'all to submit. Let everyone see how beautifully y'all have done. Okay, so what do? We go to our profile and see all the activities that we've done and all the submissions. Now, how do we submit for today's class? When you'll see the activity that you all have attended, the activity class, suppose it's today's class, you'll click on that and a button will be seen, that is submit your activity. Can you all see it? Yes. So click on that box will open, which will read upload image. Now what do? Your gallery will open, all the images are going to come. You click one image or you can select multiple images. Once you select the correct image, a preview box will open. And what do? We check if the image or the images that we've selected is correct or no. Once you think it's the correct image, go and click on the submit button. Good job, you're good to go. And if you're going to upload it on any of your social media sites, because we want everyone to know, right, how good we are. What do? If you're uploading it on Facebook or Instagram, don't forget to tag us @Uolo_app, and you can use the hashtags, that is #UoloApp, #UoloLearning. Yes, good job. Now, one very important announcement. Please do not take pictures in portrait or vertical format. Okay, all you need to do is take it in horizontal or landscape format. Okay, and since you're going to be uploading the pictures, why not take it with your face, with yourself? Don't we want everyone to know that we have made this beautiful